over here, you won't be in the steam. You can take a better picture of it.
Okay. No, I'm doing little film footage. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Noah, look at here. There you are.
Because I want a copy of that so I can show the folks on YouTube. I've been promising that I would show them the steam engine in action.
Okay, cool.
So, now, once you stand over there, because there's going to be some hot water come out this way.
Okay.
Here we go.
Hey guys, I think you can come closer. Alright, very cool.
Make it go as fast as we can.
Wow.
One problem is it uses a lot of steam.
Ah, right.
So,
Exactly.
that's probably all we're going to do with that.
Yeah. Can you blow the steam whistle one time?
The noise.
The whistle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hear the whistle?
Yeah.
Hear the
Oh,
whistle?
okay. Let me check.
It makes